This question states 17 minus negative 3 squared is equal to what? So before I start this problem, I'm going to first look at this number here, negative 3 to the second power. Another way of looking at negative 3 to the second power is like so, which would be negative 3 times negative 3. So another way of looking at negative 3 to the second power is negative 3 times negative 3. Now when you're multiplying a negative times another negative, the answer is going to become a positive. So in this case, when we're multiplying negative 3 times negative 3, this is going to equal to a positive 9. So now that we know that negative 3 to the second power is equal to a positive 9, we're going to put this positive 9 and replace the negative 3 squared with a positive 9. So now that we know that negative 3 squared is equal to a positive 9, I replace negative 3 squared with the 9. So now the question is 17 minus 9, which is going to equal to 8. So 17 minus negative 3 squared is going to equal to a positive 8. And this is my final answer. This question states negative 4 times 3 minus 6 squared plus 3 times 4 minus 7 squared is equal to what? So using the order of operations, PEMDAS, we know that we're going to start with these numbers in the parentheses first. So 3 minus 6 is going to equal to negative 3, and 4 minus 7 is also going to equal to negative 3. And we've done the numbers in the parentheses, so next we're going to do exponents. So we have negative 3 squared, and we also have a negative 3 squared. Now when we're looking at a negative 3 squared, that means it's going to be negative 3 times negative 3. And negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be a positive 9. So negative 3 squared is going to equal to a positive 9, and a negative 3 squared is going to equal to a positive 9. From here, we're going to use either multiplication or division, in this case multiplication, which is negative 4 times 9, and 3 times 9. So from here, negative 4 times 9 is going to give us negative 36, and a 3 times 9 is going to give us 27. So all we're going to do next is just combine these two together. We have a negative 36 and a positive 27. So when we have a negative number and a positive number, they combine together, which means that they subtract from one another and take on the sign of the greater number. In this case, 36. So 36 minus 27 is going to give us a 9. And it's going to be a negative 9 because there's a negative 36, which is the greater number. So, negative 4 times 3 minus 6 squared plus 4 minus 7 squared is going to equal to the final answer of negative 9.